How's it going, everyone? Benny Chris 12 here. I just finished packing for a trip to Lake Ouachita, and before I organized everything in my kayak, I kind of wanted to explain everything that was in each bag. The main thing I have is 3 dry bags. This one's like a dry bag backpack, and then this is a 55 liter and 30 liter. And I want to say this is 35 liters. I tried to compartmentalize everything as best I could because these big bags are just kind of like a basket pretty much. So in the 30 liter bag, this is just my food. Everything except canned food I'm taking, I'm going to put directly in the kayak in a string bag, since that doesn't really need to take up space in a waterproof bag. But like granola bars, a couple freeze-dried meals, and then I have my jet boil, a cup in here as well. And then this bag is just like personal stuff. I have a Polaroid camera, a notebook, a book, some extra clothes, knife, nothing too fancy going on in here. All my actual camping supplies I'm keeping in my big 55 liter, which main stuff I have in here: hammock, bug net, rain fly. Again, nothing too fancy. I'm trying to go as minimal as possible, but I'll show you how all this is going to fit in the kayak. Aside from these 3 bags though, I'll just have a couple fishing bags, and then I'm going to take a fly rod and then a just normal open face reel. I do have my GoPro with a little head mount, so hopefully you can get some cool footage that way too. Okay, here in my garage now, and I'm going to show you the pile of everything I have. My garage is a little messy and it's tight in here, so the angles are going to be weird. The kind of kayak I have is an Ascend D10 sit-in kayak, so I have a large area in the back for storage, and then quite a lot on the top obviously and by my feet. So let me show you what we're working with. So all of this has to go in there, and then I added some hooks up here to attach my fishing stuff to, a little phone bag, waterproof case there. This chair comes out for the ride down there, and then I have a couple extra little rings there, and then one in the back. A couple other things. I'm only taking 1 water bottle, and the rest of it I'm just going to filter with a pressure bag. My anchor, 10-pound weight, it really gets the job done easy. And then I'm just taking a camping shovel and a saw as far as like bigger camping tools. And then always have a life jacket. Honestly, I feel pretty good about all this. So the 3 bags, the tarps, the tools, the food, all that in the back. I threw down these extra bungee cords for safety, and I did not strap these bags down with the carabiners to these. I'll use some like extra paracord or something to give it distance if it needs it. Same with the one in the back. And then for say I have my paddle here, fishing pole here, other one right here. There's a lot of storage space underneath these gaps, but some of it you miss out on whenever you pack it like this. Life jacket, Crocs obviously, fishing stuff underneath there. And then I forgot to say also bailing bucket I have flipped over before, and you really want one of these. And then I have my pole spear back there going towards the back with a saw in the back as well. And I forgot to mention I also have this Bowie that I can just kind of throw in the water, and then I have a clip for my pole spear as well, if I'm diving or something, to help me keep track of it. And then I just strap my snorkeling stuff to the front. And I think that's a pretty decent setup. It seems really well balanced. I have kayaked with this much stuff before, so hopefully we'll go a couple miles out, camp out on an island, and I don't know if we'll move island to island while we're there or if we'll kind of switch it up, so we'll see. All right, well, that's all for tonight. Also, one more thing. If you don't store your kayak on the ceiling, you should really do it. It's game changing. So anyway, I guess we'll wait till tomorrow morning when we leave. Getting all ready to go. Blake's just the last one getting his kayak ready. Then we're gonna head out. I'm probably gonna throw my phone away for a little while. Or throw it in the wet bag, that is. And then get to paddling for a while, and I'll probably just take some clips with my GoPro on my head. But I might pull it out every now and then if we take a break or anything. So excited. It was a long ride here, and I slept most of the way, so I'm good to go. I will do it first if you don't want to.
No, I'll go. Let me just check the run up.
Wow, he's cut.
Right there. It's because I haven't had enough calories.
I'm gonna go 2 seconds out.
2 seconds.
No, just kidding.
Let's get it!
Woo!
Ooh,
That sounded bad. Ooh.
that clap.
It's not even that cold.
What, did that hurt?
It kind of hurt my forehead. I got hit hard.
Okay. You
Let's
ready?
get it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
All right, so it's about like 5 p.m. We made it to our island for the night. I'm just doing a little bit of fishing. I set up my hammock for the night, so I'll show that to you guys. And I'm gonna get some shots of this island because there's just flowers everywhere. It looks really nice. But I'm just gonna do some fishing now, and that's probably it for the night. Eat some food and go to sleep. Just off camera, I just was casting in with a spinner and caught this big old black bass, so I'm gonna let him go. We're on another island now. Don't quite know where we're gonna camp, but it's very windy, so let's set him free. Come on, there he goes. Sweet. So I'm kind of just out here coasting around right now. Might try some fishing in some of these little coves. Might get out and try some fly fishing. So I was catching some big bass earlier, but I realized I think my GoPro is deleting footage, so I might not have any video of a lot of stuff we've done. We are on this new island now. It's a lot bigger. We have rain fly set up, and I think it's supposed to rain pretty bad tomorrow. Ooh, sorry, hold up. Oh, I got one. Or a snag. Pretty sure it's a snag. Darn. Well, that was a whole debacle. It was stuck really bad, and then I got it undone. There's nothing stuck to it, no seaweed or anything. So yeah, now I'm just chilling, and I think I'll go fishing. We'll see if I can catch anything for dinner. I'll show the campsite whenever I get back. It's like 3:30ish right now. There's some pretty cool coves over here, so hopefully I catch some stuff, but unfortunately now I'll just have this camera to use. I guess I'll check back if I catch anything, and if not, then I'm just gonna go to the campsite. That rain was absolutely insane last night, so we all just crashed under the tarp, and everyone stayed dry under their hammocks, or in their hammocks. I think we're gonna try to paddle back now because it's not raining anymore, and I think it's supposed to get worse later tonight, but it's pretty windy right now, so we'll kind of have to, we'll see how far we make it. We'll hopefully make it all the way back tonight, and then yeah, we talked about maybe camping somewhere different tonight, or I don't know, maybe just calling it quits and going home, which is unfortunate because weather was originally supposed to be nice. We're hoping to get to do a lot more here, but it's definitely just made me want to come back here.